Hello beauties, it came. My Ipsy Glam Bag came. And we're going to see what's in it. I haven't peeked. I never do. I don't even open the boxes or the mailer when it comes. Oh, here's my card. The theme is the Beauty Olympics.
It's cute. I like the card.
Helper, will you put that in the trash?
Yes.
Look at this cute little bag.
You need to take that out. That's
Cute
adorable.
little bag.
That's adorable.
It is adorable, isn't it?
Wow. It even came with some makeup stuff in it.
First out of the bag is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil infused with apricot oil. No, I'm going to use this because my other lip oil is running out.
Oh no.
So we're just going to open this up. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Let's see, where's our trash can?
Our trash can's right there, but it's getting too full.
Yeah, Mommy will empty it. Let's try this on, shall we? The lipstick I have is Marc Jacobs Slow Burn. Smells minty.
Yeah, I like mints.
That gives it a nice gloss. So we're just going to leave that out on the desk. What else do we have? Another little tube of something. This is the Coors Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream with microbiome technology, replenished plus bounce gel cream. Oh, and then that's just in a different language. So it's a nourishing probiotic gel cream.
Does it go on your hair or somewhere else?
I believe it goes on your face.
Because I've only heard of hair gel.
It's a real light cream.
That looks satisfying. That looks satisfying.
It is kind of satisfying. It doesn't really smell like anything.
Yeah, some of my kids in my classmate with fidgets, and those fidgets are the fidgets that people say are satisfying. They say, the boys say all to a group of girls, get ready for the most satisfying moment of your lives.
And in here we have the Miel. It is a body scrub, honey infused sugar scrub. I always need these. I use these like crazy. Very happy with that. And we have another tube. We have the Caramoon Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum. Okay. We have a little miniature serum. I like that.
That looks like a shampoo that's putty size. That looks like a shampoo that's putty size.
It does look like a shampoo that's putty size.
Yeah. Except it's not.
It smells nice.
What's it smell?
I can't really describe it.
Strawberry, minty, sweet.
Smells like a subtle perfume.
Oh.
I love skincare. I will get used out of this. What else is in the bag? We have the Professional Matte Primer. Mattifying primer to minimize the look of pores. And it is tiny.
Yes, no.
It's from the brand Benefit.
Another shampoo.
It's so tiny.
It's another shampoo for putty.
So tiny. Like, look at my hand.
That's That's another
but
shampoo.
that's okay. I like primers. This will get used. And that is all that was in the bag, guys.
So does the word glam stand for glamour?
Yes. Something got on my bag.
That's a cute little bag.
Love this bag, guys. Gotta appreciate this bag.
I like that it came with a little bag with it.
Putting my bag in my drawer so I don't lose it. I have a tendency to lose those. But that was it, guys. That was August Ipsy of 2024. And I'm pleased with everything in it, especially the sugar scrub, the primer, the serum, and the lip oil. I'm happy with everything that came in it. I gotta scratch my nose rings, they itch. So yeah, thank you for watching. And we broke 50 subscribers. We now have 53 subscribers. I am so happy and so thankful. Thank y'all for watching. You're getting awful close to the screen, baby.
Sorry.
Thank you for supporting me and my channel as we grow. I love y'all. I love all of you. And I will see you in the next video.
Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
Exactly.
Mom, those things are